So here I am with another TV, Android TV box under $40, I guess. This Tanix TX-6s. So as usual, it is made in China. Comes in a standard Tanix packing, I'll say. I last time I did an unboxing video of Tanix TX6. I found that very amazing, but that device does not support Bluetooth. This one does, and this is the latest. Comes with the latest Allwinner H616 board, but I'll say that's not as powerful as H6. So here's the standard manual uh, that you'll find inside the box. The standard instructions like troubleshooting, etc. But you'll get to know once you've connected the device and like you're on the go with it. So here's the standard packing, plastic packing. I'll take out the device. It's a very nice device, very compact, small. So comes with the usual power cable. Is yeah, full. Yeah, that's a remote controller, standard remote controller, and HDMI cable, of course. Like I said, they're not that good in quality. You can always replace them. This is a very standard HDMI cable. So like standard antenna supported device for long range Wi-Fi connectivity. So here's the TF card reader port. You can always expand your memory. It looks like a 3.0, but I think it's 2.0. Power input, HDMI network, reset button, and two USB ports, all the standard stuff. uh, yeah, all the necessary stuff. I hope you like the product once you use it. Thank you so